A very good morning, dear students. Welcome to my next class. Myself Tabassum Mulikatti, Department of Commerce. In previous class, we discussed one problem which comes in 2019 question paper. Today, we are going to know what questions comes in 2020 and 2018. Okay, today in class, we are going to know two questions here, and whatever we are solving today, lot of similarities is there. Only one things will be comes in the form of 2 and in the form of what our by. Okay, ಏನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ 2 ಮತ್ತು by ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತಿನ क्लास ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ओके, आज के क्लास में जब क्वेश्चन में 2 आता है या फिर by आता है तो क्या डिफरेंस कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है, वी आर गोइंग टू गेट टू नो. ओके, सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई टोल्ड यू इन प्रीवियस क्लास व्हाट आई सेड, how much information they have given in the question, that much only we have to take in journal entries. Okay, so I told you journal entries is based on 5 things. One is share capital, creditors and debenture holders. Third one is general reserve and profit and loss account if credit balance is given. Fourth one is based on the assets, which is based on increased, and the final is based on whatever capital reduction. Okay, so my dear students, let's go for the problem. So here Happy Company Limited decided to go for internal reconstruction, which was approved by the court. Okay, the scheme of reconstruction is as follows. So what information they have given? Happy Company Limited, Happy Company ಏನಾಗತೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ರೀಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಲಾಸಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ दैट दे वांट टू डू इंटरनल रिकंस्ट्रक्शन. सो यार अप्रूव्ड कोटार ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ कोर्ट अप्रूव्ड कोटार. तो यहाँ पे कौन अप्रूव्ड दिया है? कोर्ट अप्रूव्ड दिया है. एंड रिमेनिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन दे हैव गिवन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ A, B and C. Okay, now let's go for the A information. So 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each fully paid be reduced to rupees 3 per share as fully paid. Okay, what is information here? There is 1 lakh equity shares. How much rupees? 10 each. How much they reduced here? Sorry, not reduced. How much they have taken that 10 rupees here? 3. So for example, come to the next, the calculation of capital reduction. So I said two things we have to calculate whenever we are going to calculate the internal reconstruction. ಯಾವ 3 steps ಬರ್ತೈತಿ? ಒಂದು calculation of capital reduction, another one is what here? Pass the journal entries, and the last one is whatever the balance sheet. But this problem is entirely based on how many marks? 5 marks. Because of that reason, only in this problem we have to calculate our capital reduction, and next one is whatever journal entries. Now come to the point. How many equity shares given? Totally 1 lakh. So here I said in today's class we are going to get to know 2 and by. Okay, 2 and by. So come to the point. So there is 2 rupees 3 per share. Okay, 2 rupees 3 per share. It means there is a 10 rupees of per share minus how much we are we have to take present shares 3 rupees, and reduced value is how much here? 7 per share. So reduced value becomes how much here? 7. Why? Because when they have given 2, it means 10 minus 3. Whatever value comes, that is called whatever reduced value. ತಿಳಿತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಿ? 10 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಿ ಮತ್ತು 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರು, which is based on 2. Because of that reason 10 minus 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? 7. That is nothing but our reduced value. So how many equity shares they have given? 1 lakh. So 1 lakh into 7, the reduced value, reduction value become how much here? 7 lakh in the form of equity shares. In the form of equity shares, the reduction value ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? 7 lakh. Now let's go for the second information. 20,000 preference shares of rupees 100 each fully paid reduced to rupees 80 per share. So ಎಷ್ಟು ಐತಿ? 100 each ಐತಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 80. 2 ಮೇಲೆ ಐತಿ, again 2. So they, how much it become? 100 minus 80. So 100 minus 80 ನಂತರ ಎಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂತು? ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 20. That 20 is nothing but whatever reduced value. This 20 is nothing but whatever reduced value. So therefore how many preference shares are given here? 20,000. So 20,000 into 20 each means the value becomes how much here? 4 lakhs. So reduction ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 lakhs. So reduction कितना आया यहाँ पर 4 lakh. When we combine these both things, total capital reduction we got here 11 lakh. Okay. तो हमें यहाँ पे कैपिटल रिडक्शन कितना मिला 11 लाख. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ कैपिटल रिडक्शन? As per equity share we got 7 lakh reduction. As per preference share we got 4 lakh reduction. When we both combine, the value become how much here? 11 lakh. That is nothing but our capital reduction. Now come to the next. So in previous class ನಾವು ಏನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. See, equity, this information is over. This information is over. Now come to the C. Reduction amount of share capital is utilized to write off accumulated losses. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಿ 3,60,000. preliminary expenses how much they have given 1 lakh, and the balance is used to write off the patents. Okay, so this is the information. In this problem there is no debentures, no creditors, no general reserve, no profit and loss, which is nothing but our credit balance. Directly they have given here reduction. So what I said, ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. So here the reduction value we got how much here 11 lakh. Now what we have to do, we have to pass the journal entries. Now come to the journal entries. See, equity shares account to debtors we got here how much 7 lakh and 4 lakh. So here we have taken in the form of what? Equity shares 7 lakh, preference shares 4 lakh. So entire balance where we transfer to the capital reduction account, that is nothing but 11 lakh. Did it read? So here the 7 lakh plus 4 lakh total become how much? 11 lakh. This is nothing but what? Our capital reduction account. So now we have to pass the narration. So being 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each reduced by rupees 7. So this 7 rupees reduced by 7 each per paid up share and 20,000 preference shares of rupees 100 each, which reduced by rupees 20. So 20 allinda bantu this 20. So this 20. So here 20 per paid up share. So this is the first entry. Okay. So this is the first entry. So my dear student, share capital nalli ಎರಡು entry ಮುಗೀತು. Now come to the next. Here in this calculation only 2 entries will be passed. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ? 2 ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಒಂದು ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮುಗೀತು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಜನರಲ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಫೈನಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ that reason we have to take this much information. Now come to next. Second entry is based on what? Our capital reduction accounts to debtors. So yes, sikkaiti capital reduction. See how much capital reduction we got here 11 lakh. This 11 lakh as usual we have taken. See here also there is a 11 lakh. So here it comes, means whatever loss ನಮಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ರೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So capital reduction account debtor 11 lakh. So as usual, to accumulated losses. Come to the point. See the information. Accumulated loss ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಿ 3,60,000 ಮತ್ತು preliminary expenses ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರು 1 lakh, and the balance is used to write off the patents. So see my dear students, so accumulated losses we have taken 3,60,000, preliminary expenses we have taken 1 lakh. When we both add ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು 4,60,000. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ 11 lakh. How much it is there here 11 lakh. So 11 lakh ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4,60,000 ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ? No, it won't be tally. So tally ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. That is nothing but 6,40,000. 6,40,000. So as per the calculation, as per the problem ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? The balance is used to write off the patent. So ಏನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೊಡೆದೈತಿರಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? To the patents account. That is nothing but 6,40,000. So as usual we have to pass whatever narration. Being capital reduction amount utilized to write off the value of an assets, and remaining balance transfers to patent accounts. Okay, this is what our the capital reduction entry. So my dear students, simple. This is the calculation of capital reduction. So I said here n kottari 2 kottari. So 10 minus 3 remaining value n bantrala. That is called what? Our reduced value. That is nothing but our reduction value. Same 100 minus 80 it becomes 20. So that 20 is nothing but our reduction value. ಯಾಕೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 3 rupees ತಗೋಬಹುದಿತ್ತು, 80 rupees ತಗೋಬಹುದಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರು? 2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರು. 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ that is only called what? Our reduction value. Okay, so this problems comes in 2020. Okay, this problems comes in 2020. So my dear students, now let's move to the next. So 2020 here it is over. So calculation of capital reduction and the journal entries. Now let's go to the next problem, that is nothing but 5 marks again. 2018 question paper nalli bandaiti for 5 marks. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬಂದೈತಿ for 5 marks. Again one more questions we are going to solve here which comes in 2018. Okay, so my dear students, see, Ashok Company Limited decided to go for internal reconstruction which was approved by the court. Okay, come to the point. Happy Company Limited decided to go for internal reconstruction which was approved by the court. Okay, similar question. Now next, 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each fully paid be reduced by rupees 7 per share. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ information nodri, 1 lakh ಐತಿ, 10 rupees ಐತಿ, but 7 ಬಂದೈತಿ. So see here the same information, 1 lakh 10 rupees 3. But I said first problem ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬಂದೈತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಬಂದೈತಿ, but ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬಂದೈತಿ, directly they reduced which based on by. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬಂತು, 10 minus 7 ಮಾಡಿ ಏನ್ ಬಂತು, that is no, because already they have given by, because by ಅಂದ್ರೆ directly ಅದು reduction ಆಗೈತಿ. So whatever value becomes here, this is called whatever reduction value. So same 20,000 preference shares of rupees 100 each fully paid be reduced by rupees 20 per share. Okay, so see here same information, 20,000 preference shares of rupees 100 each fully paid reduced to rupees 80 per share. I said now when 2 we have taken here, 100 minus 80 it becomes 20, 10 minus 3 it becomes 7. So directly ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಿ, by which is nothing but 7, by which is nothing but 20. So as usual the same calculation, equity shares 1 lakh into rupees 7 each which becomes 7 lakh. Preference shares 20,000 of rupees 20 each, it is 4 lakh. Again the capital reduction become same, that is nothing but 11 lakh. So here also it is 11 lakh. So 7 lakh 4 lakh. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು, यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया था, 10 minus 3 करने के बाद जो वैल्यू मिला था वो हमारा रिडक्शन वैल्यू हो गया. यहाँ पर भी सेम 100 minus 80 करने के बाद जो वैल्यू बचा वो हमारा रिडक्शन हो गया. नाउ सेम प्रॉब्लम है, जो भी हम यहाँ पे इंफॉर्मेशन दी है, जो 2018 में आया है, 2020 में आया है, बोथ आर सेम. ओनली थिंग इज व्हाट, जो 2020 में है वो थोड़ा वहां पे 2 के बेसिस पे दिया है. इट मीन्स व्हाट, माइनस करके जो बचता है वैल्यू दैट इज नथिंग बट अवर रिडक्शन वैल्यू. यहाँ पे क्या है, डायरेक्टली दिया है, यहाँ पे क्या दिया है, रिड्यूस्ड वैल्यू ही दिया है, दैट इज नथिंग बट 7, दैट इज नथिंग बट 20. सो एज यूजुअल कैपिटल रिडक्शन कितना मिल गया, 11 lakh. द सेम इंफॉर्मेशन, द रिडक्शन अमाउंट ऑफ शेयर कैपिटल इज यूटिलाइज्ड टू राइट ऑफ द अक्यूमुलेटेड लॉस बैलेंस ऑफ रुपीज 3,60,000. preliminary expenses rupees 1 lakh and the balance is used to write off the patents. Okay, so same here, see, reduction amount of share capital is utilized to write off accumulated losses, balance of rupees 3,60,000, preliminary expenses 1 lakh and the balance should be used in patents. Though so same information means what, whatever entries, journal entries we pass na, same information will be comes here also in entry number 1, entry number 2. Okay, this is the simple calculation, just understood. When comes to 2 means what, whatever value they have given, the face value, in that we have to reduce whatever things they have given fully paid, that one what we have to do, we have to reduce here whatever value comes, that is nothing but what, our reduction value. Same like here, 100 minus 80 it becomes 20. But in this problem what information given, 10 each fully paid be reduced by means already they reduced. So it means 1 lakh into rupees 7 each. It becomes 7 lakh. Same like here, 100 each fully paid reduced by rupees 20 per share. Okay. This is a simple calculation. 2020 and 2018. The both problems are similar. Only the thing is what? Little bit change. That is nothing but 2 in 2020 and in 2018 it is by. So that purpose we done some adjustment or some changes here in the form of capital reduction. My dear student, in this class we are going to get to know two problems here. One is 2020 question paper and another one is what our 2018 question paper. So my dear students, very simple. If you have any problem, you can ask me in my WhatsApp group. Okay. So if you have any doubts and question queries, you can ask me in my WhatsApp group. Thank you so much.